What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you're not new here, if you're new, welcome. So I finally got in all of my pictures and all of my picture frame. Well, not all of my pictures, because to be honest, I had a really cute one that I ordered, and it said that it was delivered and I never received it. So I had to do a refund, and when I was done, is that a bug? Oh God, it's a bug. My boyfriend gonna have to kill it to stay until LJ get here. Like I was saying, I had to ask for a refund because I was like, I don't have my picture, and I think it was like $34 or something like that. It was very beautiful, very big. I think the size that I ordered was big, but either way, it didn't come in, so I had to get a refund. With that being said, I received the rest of my pictures, and I even ordered like some cute little street signs. I had another one that said "Stay Wow Moon Child," and that's not what they sent me. They sent me like extraterrestrial highway, and I was like, this is not what I want. So they was like, oh, you can keep it, here's your money back. I was like, I want my picture, not my money, but okay. And I even found like some cute little like wooden vinyl pictures. These don't have like hanging whatchamajiggies on the back, so I think I'm gonna like command strip these. But with that being said, welcome back to another episode of my life unscripted with zero regrets. Cue the music. Y'all, even though they said that it will be here on Tuesday, today is Saturday and the bar stools have arrived. Yes. I originally only wanted 3 bar stools, like for real, but they didn't have that amount in the color or design that I wanted. So I ended up getting 4, which is okay. Like, I'm not complaining. It just may be a little more cramped than I anticipated over at the island, which is another thing, because I was hoping that the rest of the tiles who finished the island would have came in before the bar stools, but here we are. So I'm gonna go ahead and put one together and make sure that it actually is the correct height before I put them all together, just in case my boyfriend gotta put these boxes back in the car. Now, per the instructions, it seems rather easy to put together because it only comes in 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces for real, with 4 screws to put into it. So for that, I will not complain, because I truly believe in working smarter and not harder. They do swivel 360 and it is adjustable. So if we move somewhere, now, for the big booty girlies, I don't know how well this gonna hold up for y'all. It is adjustable. So if we move like somewhere where the island is a different height, I can still use these. And the cushion is actually soft, like it's a soft place to sit. This is the height of it, like all the way down compared to the bar island. Big shout out to my leasing office. I was able to save money. They gave me some of the paint that they already have on site, and I will definitely take it, because if you all can remember, in our adventure to create the shoulda, coulda, woulda been a brick wall, I wrapped some of the contact paper all the way around onto this side, right there. And when I took it back off, because you know I cut the brick to make it a shoulda, coulda, woulda been a brick wall, it got stuck. The glue is stuck on the wall, and that was maybe 2-3 weeks ago. Definitely 3 weeks ago, maybe longer. Since that time has passed, dust and air pollutants or whatever have collected onto the sticky part of the wall, and now it has like this disgusting tinge of black. So since I got the paint from the leasing office, we are about to go ahead and paint over it, because I tried to use the Goo Gone and that made it worse. So yeah. This definitely took longer than what I expected, and once I finished, I was actually really nervous because it was darker. As y'all can see, it was darker than like the rest of the paint, but seeing as one of the spots had already begun to dry and it kind of matched what was already there, it gave me hope. Right here, see, it's already dry, so I think we'll be okay. We should be okay. you have made it this far, thank you for watching this video all the way through. And if you are not already, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that post notification bell so that you are notified every time that I upload a new video. And if you find yourself unable to receive enough of me, make sure that you follow me on all my other social medias. My Snapchat, my TikTok, and my Instagram will be linked down in the description box below. I hope that you all have enjoyed this video, and I deeply apologize for missing the subby of the week. But our last video didn't receive any new subby comments. Yeah. But I can say that the village is continuing to grow. So as always, if you are new here, make sure that you let me know down in the comment section below. And even if you are not new here, talk to me in the comments below, because I love to talk to the PayPal. That's you. You're the people. And thank you all for indulging in another episode of my life, unscripted, with zero regrets. Cue the music!